Ahoy to Mihates, we're gonna keep on cat games, stuff like that. A lot of basket loading over there. My phone was charging, so yeah. At least we're back. We're so glad you're back. Food now. Bitch, I already feed you. Well, let's keep on. Cold cheeses. Wait, what? Oh, I thought I actually did left one, but no. Well, guess we have to make one now. So probably let's just give him some. Look, this is an epic strat. He feeds himself. See? Okay, obviously I'm just kidding, but fine. We have almost all the decorations. Alright, now we just gotta wait. 66? Okay. Technopack. Technopack. What is this techno pack? Well, at least we can get some. At least we can get some. Alright, we're gonna get this. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna get one more of these and then, stuff like that. We can complete this. Wow. Oh yeah, I don't even have enough though. By the way, you can also check the cat game. I mean the dog game. Eight dog. Don't forget to feed me. Dog game was launched worldwide. We're truly happy to announce that our game is finally out, soft launch, and starting today. Players from every corner of the world download Dog Game for both iOS and Android devices. Woo! Woo. Alright, so let's keep on. Alright, here we go. Space events. That's all. Well, let's get our items to make decorations to get more lucky for this shit. Ah, dip. Wood. And so we've got the string. Wood. That's enough to make the ribbons. How many we need? Oh, two more. I mean, just two. Why are you laughing, Mom? Well, yeah, we actually need one of these. Come on! Wait. It was just a hallucination. Pog. Alright, so yeah, let's game. Well, that basket was a hallucination for some reason. That's bull. I'm gonna get millions of these dog treats like those other days. Oh yeah, I don't even have enough. Well, I have 60. So yeah, we're just gonna get some coins. Let's go here. What's your objectives? Collect ribbon. Mini gang that's the same gang thing of the cat gang. Well, Barky blocks. Bitch. Okay. Okay. Gotta do this. Gotta do that. Gotta do this. Gotta gotta unificate this all. Here, uppercase. Yay. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Hyug. Vietnam. Bosch. Dot. Bosch. Loader. Again. This. Surprise, surprise. Oh shit. Alright, so now get something. Oh yeah. Wait, that actually worked. Wow. Wow. Woohoo! Okay, that's. Okay, what? I just got a merge ass. I just got a merge ass, and now. Where's the X? Literally back, and yeah. So many dogs, so little time. So many cats, so little time. So yeah, let's get. So let's keep cattailing. Alright, let's go to. Oh yeah, I get what's in deliver now. I understand now. Alright, so yeah. If you guys noticed, there's many glitches in many of these cat games. Firstly, the creation of those cats that made the animation unificated to all other cats, stuff like that. Next, as you saw in the dog game, hallucination baskets. And nah, I don't know. Well, suppose those things that's supposed to be legendary, but they're not. Like stuff in whatever. And pixel animation when you click the stars. Cats turn more pixelated. Keep collecting stars and stuff like that. I'll show you later. I'll show you later. Okay. While this, we're gonna. Well, this thing gonna go to YouTube. Okay. Well, we're here at YouTube. We're gonna see some Chips Ahoy bullshit. And, you know. Shh. Shit. Why me? Chips Ahoy memes. Compilation. I know that.
Oh shoot, I came out impulsive. I have to go back to Chips Ahoy bag. Sorry, mommy. Wait, what the heck? Hey, get out. That's where I'm supposed to be.
No, here is where I am supposed to be.
No, that's my cookie bag. It's my house. Get out.
Can't you read English? Look. And that's why it's my house and you are an imposter.
This is ridiculous. That is 100% my house. Are you trying to fool me now? You are an imposter.
Looks like we have an imposter among us.
Daddy, you are here.
No, it's my daddy.
Dad, this guy keeps lying. You are my daddy. You invented Chips Ahoy cookie.
Don't lie to me, sussy baka.
Dad,
And you should be aware of the aftermath of
is it
lies.
for real?
What?
Don't worry, you will never regret passing the sales rights over to our Seuss company.
Oh, man.
Hank, today's customers are fed up with banal products. Now is the time to get some snappy idea to increase the sales. Therefore, our Seuss company will lead the cookie revolution. Introducing Seuss Cookie.
Sus cookie.
Sussy ball.
Man, it's not easy being so Seuss.
I'm good, listen.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips.
Sussy baka. Obama hamburger sussy balls. Do it. Costume company. Alone with us.
Badass nigga. Oh, you stupid.
I'm a-
I am gonna die. Man, it's not easy being so
Yeah, but he removed all the cringe. Look.
It's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Hey Johnny, can we get Chips Ahoy?
Why do you say that?
There's this really good Chips Ahoy ad.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these.
What the dog doing?
I'm never buying Chips Ahoy again.
So, where's the cake?
We're not having cake.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Man, it's not easy being
Sus!
Like we having a costume.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Skip?
He said, wait, don't skip.
When the drip is respectable. But
The imposter eats sauce.
But the imposter is sus. Chips Ahoy's speeder and whatever.
when the shot is swishy, but you want that chocolate chippy. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Hey, yo, hold up. When the shot is shitty. Lol. Where the fuck is this? Ranked and content to clips in. Another compilation. But wait. Yes! So I think that's gonna be the Sunburn. Gonna wait for free, then 5. Hopefully it works. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeet. Oh no! Please, please be a cap. Yes! Shh! Woohoo! Sunburn. Look. We're so freaking lucky. But look. You see it's getting pixelated a little bit? I don't know. Level 8? Woo! Rabbits! Logs? Coins? Gems? Woohoo! Let's freaking go. Well, we are epic. This is a rabbit thing. That's a little rabbit. Let's see its animation. Ah, so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. Let's see his sunburn eating this. Alright, so we're gonna a bit. Alright, go. Don't forget to feed me first. Mmm. Oh god, it's gonna take you. Oh, shut up. No, bitch.
When the drip is respectable, but the chips are impeccable. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's a trick shot, but you still score some chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When the shot is swishy, but you...
2?
Oh, look at you, little guy, all soft and sweet with your cute widow chocolate chips.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these. Best feature. Bake time? Wait, what? Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks.
Mistake, buddy. You shouldn't have skipped that ad.
Wait. What does this mean?
When the drip is
There's a
respectable,
cringe counter.
but the chips
69.
are impeccable. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's a trick shot,
What is this? Sicily?
but you still score some chocolate.
Nah.
Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Little shit.
When the shot is swishy, but you want that chocolate chippy.
When you got chocolate chips, but your ad is made by a bitch.
Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's trap on repeat, but you pause for the chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Wait, don't skip. They're snacks. Popcorn. Got it.
1 times 1
Chips
is 1.
Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Chips Ahoy wants me to announce their delicious new cookie with Hershey's milk chocolate.
Yep.
Just imagine all this, but with chunks of all that.
It's already past July 17, 2021, I guess.
Man, it's not easy being so Skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature. Chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Yay!
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Infinity.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks.
Bruh.
Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for when the drip,
Wait, did you see that Among Us character?
but the chips are impeccable. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Chips Ahoy wanted to announce their delicious new cookie
What?
with Hershey's milk chocolate. So just imagine all this with chunks of all that. Can we get a visual? New Chips Ahoy cookies made with Hershey's milk chocolate.
When it's a trick shot, fail. But you still score some chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
He bleeds chocolate. Wait, so if what? Just kidding. So Chips Ahoy bleeds chocolate, as you saw there. Chips Ahoy with Hershey's milk chocolate bleeds what? Milk chocolate or what?
Here, for Happy.
Man, it's not easy being so delicious. Wait, don't skip. You're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Big time. Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here for Happy.
When the drip is when it's a trick shot, when the shot is swishy, impeccable. When it's trap on repeat, but you pause.
Man, it's not easy being so What is it? Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best
What?
feature, chocolate chips. So smart, no? Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here for Happy.
Ahoy!
When the shot is swishy, but you want that chocolate chippy.
Man, it's not
What?
easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here for Happy.
I'm going to watch the new Chips Ahoy ad. Man, it's not easy being so Man, it's not easy being so
Chips Ahoy is here for Happy.
Hey Johnny, can we get Chips Ahoy?
Why do you say that?
There's this really good Chips Ahoy ad.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on the
What the dog doing?
I'm never buying Chips Ahoy again.
Wait, don't skip.
There's no
Then you're gonna miss
imposter.
out on these snacks. Chocolate chips. Bake time?
Ahoy is here for when the trick is respectable. When it's a trick shot,
What is this?
when the shot is swishy, when it's trapped on repeat.
Loot box. Wait, don't skip.
And suddenly, the ghost appears.
Oh, those chips.
Yeah, you're glistening, bro. Chips Ahoy wants
Man, it's not easy being so
to announce their
Wait, don't skip.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip.
When the drip is respectable, but the chips are impeccable. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's a trick shot, fail. But you still score some chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When the shot is swishy, but you want that chocolate chippy. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's trap on repeat, but you pause for the chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip.
See?
Chips Ahoy.
So it's actually working. So where's the cake?
Quer ganhar dinheiro no TikTok? Baixe aqui.
So, where's the cake? We're not having cake.
Oh yeah, that's the exact same bullshit. Ah. Reactions. Rating is aligned from different countries. Okay.
Man, it's not easy.
Good. This new. Only 5 dislikes.
You're gonna miss out on these snacks.
Yeah, the dislikers are just
Chocolate
stupid.
chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Sus.
Wait, don't skip.
Who is the sussy baka?
Miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what?
Grubhub Perks give you deals on
Grandpa Perks?
Man, it's not easy being so delicious.
Ahoy is here. Here for
Man, it's not easy being so Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks.
Mistake, buddy. You shouldn't have skipped that ad.
Wait. What does this mean?
Obama hamburger sussy balls. Do it. Among us. Badass nigga.
you stupid.
What's that sus? I am gonna die. I'm gonna die. Man, it's not easy being so Bake time? Wait, what? Man, it's not easy being so
Yay! Bruh, 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 bruh. I'm almost. Yay!
Man, it's not easy being so
Sissy balls.
Wait, don't skip. Buy our product.
Man, it's not easy being so
What? What?
Then you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Best feature, chocolate chips. Bake time? Wait, what? Oh,
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
man, it's not
Subscribe.
easy being so
Sugomio.
Here. Here for
Matt says Sugoma. Sugomio. Oh.
I hope I don't have to be in the Chips Ahoy commercial.
Ding ding ding.